Teach him! And go to him! No, surely you can guess that much, Goku. I'll try to struck you down in front of your wife and child. No, I'm mad. I'm really, really mad! And now it's time to power!